Does wearing a mask help? Back in March, I made this video sharing information that I thought was helpful that was being distributed by the CDC and the WHO regarding the wearing of face masks. Back then, we were told that masks were not helpful, that they wouldn't help against the spread of COVID-19. Obviously, we know now that we were being lied to. There was a shortage of masks and other PPE supplies back then. So in an attempt to try and save what supplies there were, we were told that they were not helpful. I mean, all that was needed to be said was, yes, masks are helpful. There is a shortage right now. Here is what you can wear instead. So instead of being told the truth, we were lied to, and it's no wonder that people are now confused and divided on whether or not to wear a mask. We obviously know now that masks are indeed helpful. All you have to do is look at the data from countries that have implemented a nationwide mask mandate, and that'll show you right there that they were able to get a handle on their outbreak. And this has put them in a position to reopen their economy. Did you know that in countries like Singapore and Germany, they actually have vending machines for masks now? Heck, in Singapore, you can use your ID and get 2 free masks out of the vending machine. Simple, right? By the way, how the heck do we still have a PPE shortage here in the US? Did you know that during World War II, 41 billion rounds of ammunition were made? That's enough for the world population 17 times over. But we can't make a mask. So, in the end, yes, masks are helpful. I will be wearing a mask wherever I need to keep myself and my family safe and everybody else safe. If that's what I have to do and it's easy, I will do it. And be thankful that all I need to fight this war is this and not this.